Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Karen. I hope you are all having a fantastic week. If you're new here, hello, come on in. It is lovely to meet you. I am Karen. I am a nail artist and I also own Nailshake, which is a UK based nail art company. And we have got 5 little tips here all ready to go, and I am so excited to jump into this cute little milkshake themed set. So we're starting off with this beautiful colour by Madame Glam called Rose, and I just love the Madame Glam gel polishes. They are so beautiful to use. I love the colours and the coverage, the fact that they're vegan as well, cruelty free, and yeah, they've got so much going for them. And like I say, the wee lids and that they're just so comfortable for me to hold. I do have quite weak hands, so I just really enjoy the shape of the lid. It's just so easy, it just makes them so easy to use. So I'm going to be doing 2 of the nails in rose, 3 in white, and I will be doing 2 coats on each. And then we can jump in and get into the first design. All links, etc. are down in the description below as always. So yeah, so let's get these into cure once I have this last one done, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so using these cute little latte love shapes, I am going to be putting a layer of base coat down, and this is just to adhere those little latte love shapes to. These are both in the Candyland Sweet Treats bundle, and also you can buy them separate as well too. And just before I cure that, I'm just moving them around. They are super thin, really easy to encapsulate, and also the little tiny heart shapes as well too that's in the middle, they're actually included in the wee pot, so you get all these little hearts, and they are just so cute just to kind of like sparsely put between these. So yeah, really cute design, and works I think for both long and short nails as well. So I'm just going ahead and encapsulate. Now this is where I went wrong, because I'm working on white gel polish. Base coat does have it doesn't have that sort of anti-yellowing feature, if you know what I mean. So it did go a little bit discolored. So if you are going to encapsulate you know, using gel polish over white, I would always suggest a not a non-white one, but one with a tacky layer. So anyway, so that was our first design. Really quick, really simple. This is the second one, and that was me matte top coating there, and this is the colors that I'm going to be using, and I will list them in the description box below for you guys, in case any of you go, oh, I like that one, or I like that one, because I know that a lot of you also use Madame Glam as well. So going in with the first one, which is this beautiful peachy color, and all I'm going to be doing is just drawing some really nice swirls on this nail. And as you can see, like I said before, I've matte top coated this, and I always like to do this whenever I am doing anything freehand, because it just allows the gel polish that you're working with to grip that little bit more than if you were working on a shiny or a slippy surface. So yeah, so just using my detailer brush, I am just going in there and just kind of doing a little swoop with that. And talking of the detailer brushes not there at the moment on the website, I am currently sort of going through testing and trialing some new brushes for the website. We've changed manufacturers, and yeah, so I'm just in the process of doing that. So I am looking forward to some point this year to be releasing some lovely new brushes for you guys, because I know how much you love your brushes, and yeah, I love a good detailer brush, so that is the goal, but it does take time, so you know, bear with me on that one. It is certainly in the pipeline. And but anyway, back to the design here. Yeah, so I'm just finishing off. As you can see, I have used 6 different colors for this one here, and I will say, try and do it in one swoop. I am going back and forth here, and I think I was chittering away or doing something at the time, but I wasn't really sort of thinking. If you do it in one swoop and keep your brush really upright, you'll get beautiful fine lines. And then I'm just going to, then with some top coat. Then, and I will be doing, as you'll see, obviously, you know, on the thumbnail, there will be 4 of the nails which mirror each other. So, or 2 of the nails, sorry. But this here then is the decals that I will be using. This is the Sweet Treat decals from Nail Sugar. Again, links all down below, guys. And I've just cut out that beautiful big kind of milkshake, sort of sundae kind of one. And I'm just dabbing the back of it there with some water. You wait about maybe 10 seconds and then slide off the back in, and then just stamp that down onto a tacky layer. So the best thing to stamp this onto is a base coat, and that just really helps the decal adhere, and obviously white background. So this is me then just going over again then just with some base coat, just to kind of to give that little coating over with. But I am going to be adding, as you can see, some tiny little stars again, just to pull the design in. I love these. And then once I have those added, I will cure that top coat, and that is literally our design finished. How quick and simple was this week's design? It's so cute. So there we go. I'll show you guys now the finished result. And there we go, guys. That is our little milkshake nail art design complete. I hope that you like it as much as I do. I think they're super cute, those little lattes. And the milkshake decals as well too. They are just really bright and cute and eye-catching. And I love the hearts as well. So that's it. Really simple, really easy design using these beautiful Madame Glam colours as well. Link to everything is down below along with the discount code. So thank you for watching. Have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.